Hi, welcome to Selenium Tutorials in Python programming language. This is an introduction to the Selenium tutorials using Python programming language. This is our basic Python program which uses Selenium to open a specified URL in the Chrome web browser. Assuming that you have already have Python installed in your system and Visual Studio Code available, we shall see how to install Selenium library and webdriver-manager library to get started with an example. Open the terminal from Visual Studio Code and run the shown pip command to install the Selenium library. The Selenium library is successfully installed. Now let us run the pip command to install the WebDriver-manager library. Once these two libraries are installed, we are ready to run the program. But before running the program, let us see what we are doing here. The first three statements are the import statements which are used to import required modules and classes. This section of the program is used to create an instance of Chrome WebDriver. This section of the program is used to load a specific URL in the browser window. And then this part closes the browser window and removes all the services associated with it. Now let us go through the program line by line. The first import statement is used to import WebDriver module from Selenium module. The second statement is used to import service class from the Chrome service module of the WebDriver module. The third import statement is used to import Chrome Driver Manager from the WebDriver-manager Chrome module. Coming to the line number 6, Chrome Driver Manager instance is created to download the WebDriver for Chrome browser from the internet and make it available for the program. Using this Chrome WebDriver file, we create a new instance of Chrome WebDriver. In total, this statement opens a Chrome browser window. Now in the line number 9, we are calling get method on the driver object and we are passing a specific URL as argument to the get function. This statement opens the specified URL in the already opened Chrome browser window. And finally, in line number 12, we are calling the quit method on the driver object. This statement quits all the services associated with our Chrome browser window and finally closes the browser window itself. Now let us run the program. The program executed, opened a Chrome browser window, loaded the given URL, and then closed the window. But the execution of these three statements is so fast that we did not catch the loading of the URL in the browser window. To see all these steps with a delay in between them, we shall introduce some sleep time before and after the loading of the URL. We shall use time module for introducing the delay. Call sleep method and pass the required number of seconds for the delay. Also, we have to import the time module in the import section. Once this modification is done, run the program again. After introducing the delay, now we are able to see the page in the browser window. Concluding this video, we have seen how to open a Chrome browser window, load a specific URL in the browser window, and finally close the browser window, all using programming. This is our first step in learning automation using Selenium in Python programming language. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please click the like button below the video, subscribe to our channel, and support us. If you have any queries, please comment below.